We are in the chemical industry, and we develop ambient products, scented candles, fragrance sticks, and insecticides and aerosols for the most important supermarket chain in Spain. But we produce not only for Spain and Peninsula, but also for the rest of Europe. And we are opening markets to USA, South America, and so we are moving from very local production and very local business to a global business. We really needed to get a tool that make possible for us to think out of the box about this possible explosion that we are experiencing. Regarding the complexity or the context that we manage is 2 production plants, more than 35 production lines, each one with their particularities, because each production line is specifically designed for a topology, a very small set of products. So our production line has a lot of constraints that should be put it inside the OP Center APS in order to manage an optimal sequence. So we are working with more than 1,000 different SKUs, 3 main key outcomes or KPIs that we have identified after implementing this tool in our production planning process. The first of these KPIs is that we have increased our adherence from 65-75% that we were coming from to 85-90%. We were working with frozen periods like 2-4 days. Thanks to the utilization of OP Center APS, we have managed to cover more than 12 to 15 days of frozen period right now. We have managed to have advantage of the utilization of this tool, getting more than 12 plus 2 months in order to prevent any possible unexpected situation in the market. So we have gained a lot of visibility. We are thinking about implementing other Siemens technologies like Mendix from one side for a low-code apps generation inside the company. Teamcenter could help us to manage all this process of combining all these information silos all together to put them to work in a straightforward manner for the company. In the end, it all connects. Chemistry, engineering, material science. So we really wanted to make a difference, changing industry towards sustainability. That's the greatest benefit of all.